nigga, I ain't using no police, nigga, no attorneys, nigga. What's up with that shit?
Everybody hitting me talking about you said
it's coming down, but I ain't using no attorneys or police. You don't need that.
Oh yeah, so basically you use a
no.
lawyer.
What I'm saying is, don't lie. We ain't never had no podcast, nigga. I didn't know you.
No, we talked about having a podcast.
We never had a podcast.
You want me to play you right now?
Wait, hold on. Wait. You got to.
You want me to play it? You want me to play the whole shit? Do you want me to play you for you right now?
We ain't never had no podcast, nigga.
I didn't say we had a podcast.
Fuck you mean?
I said,
but I'm not tripping. Listen, Hassan, don't nothing change for me on my side. I'm who I am. You can't start a war and tell me how to fire back. So you had your fun, right? I don't give a fuck about a YouTube channel. That's how you make your living. So nigga, I'ma have my fun.
I got more than one. Knock yourself out. I'm not scared.
Yeah, that's cool. The page gonna come down and I'ma laugh about it. You laughing, I'm laughing. I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck neither.
Bro, see where you went wrong.
Yo, Wack.
Is
Yo, can't y'all squash this?
Hey, this where you went wrong is when you said I had you on the three-way with Big U and Big U didn't know it. What you don't know is me and Big U ain't talking 15 months on the phone. We don't even fuck with each other. That's where you went wrong, dummy.
Oh, so
that's where you went wrong. But
so basically,
East Coast nigga, and you don't know those politics.
So basically, what you did was you called another nigga on the phone to pretend to be Big U.
Big U wasn't on the phone. Big U voice is Big U voice. Everybody knows.
You want me to play
voice, nigga?
All right, let's go.
You lied, nigga.
So you didn't call him.
That was me and you on the phone, nigga.
You didn't call Big U on the three-way. You didn't call. All right,
hey,
we'll see.
Listen to me, bro. Me and Big U ain't talked on the phone.
You called Big U on the phone.
Damn near a year and a half.
Lying. I was on the phone.
What I'm
you
saying.
told me to mute my phone.
Big U even know that.
Nigga, you're lying.
Bro,
listen,
me and Big U don't even fuck with each other. Nigga.
You called Big U on the phone.
We ain't talked to each other 15 months.
The weekend of the Super Bowl.
Hey, listen. Everybody on the West Coast know that.
Lying.
You just don't
you
know
are
that.
lying. You're lying.
Me and Big U know when we called each other, nigga. You played yourself.
All right.
We don't talk to each other.
Stay tuned then.
We have been in the same room and don't even acknowledge each other.
You want to play with lawyers? I play with lawyers
too. It's real shit.
All that slander that you did with lawyers. To play with lawyers.
Yo. Whack.
I am who I am, and I got a great YouTube team. I run a label. So I let them do it. It ain't nothing.
Yo, Wack, he says if y'all come to the truth, y'all could just end it. I feel like for example,
yo, fuck that, because you on some punk shit too.
No,
nigga, you know every mother. I told, hey, listen, I'm the only nigga that got at this nigga about his sexuality. I'm the only nigga in there.
Wack, it's not only about you though. Like there's information coming out about Nipsey and his baby moms.
To pay this nigga some money, I told this nigga in his face, 6ix9ine ain't paying shit, and that's a whack call. Did I not? When he called 6ix9ine the king, I told him he was a bozo.
But it's going beyond that. It's going to lead conversation that's affecting other people's lives. It's affecting.
I told him he was on some busted shit.
Oh, so I was
asking this man to get this nigga some money.
So I was supposed
to. Did I not?
You did. But now
it's. What the fuck you mean, nigga? I wasn't pressing.
So that was pressing me?
Nigga, what? Bro, if I get in your business, the time, listen. If you would have got in my business, bro.
I thought that was.
If you would have got in my business, about me trying to get some money for one of my mans, and you would have said, "Fuck that, nigga. This is my call." You nigga have been a problem right there, nigga.
Man, you know what? At the end of what the fuck is we talking about then? What are we talking about?
Nigga, it'd have been a problem. I'm not.
Why are we talking?
Listen, I'm not tripping with you. To handle your business. Well, I don't give a fuck. I've been a power 33 years. Niggas been trying to kill me all my life. Getting live. It did nothing. You took nothing. You stopped nothing. You just showed 3 things. A, you scared of me because you didn't say none of that shit in my face. You came to the shit already knowing you felt a certain type of way about me. You should have got at me. That's real shit. B, you showed another thing, right? Wack does pull up Dolo. I could have had 50 niggas. For what? I didn't need it. It was going to be what it was going to be. I went there expecting not to leave because I knew any nigga say anything weird, I'm addressing it. I wasn't in that motherfucker 25 deep, nephew was. You got, nigga, I asked you about the sexuality, then you said what you said, and I said, so you liked it? Nigga, I said everything possible.
You did not say that to me, motherfucker. Play it on the tape. Play it on the tape.
That's right. Did you watch the interview?
You said I liked it.
Did you watch the interview?
If you said,
I don't have it in me to do that,
I didn't hear it, but I tell you
apologize. That's what you mean.
You didn't
apologize.
Before that video started, you didn't ask me for permission to bring up Ben.
On Paru, I did.
You a lying nigga. I got that on
I ain't asked you for no fucking permission.
You lie.
I asked you for permission.
Listen. We are
you out your back. You's a sucker, my nigga.
Listen, the bottom line to
anybody that know me knows, nigga. Wack ain't. If you watch that shit, we freestyled that whole fucking interview. You heard me ask this nigga for permission. Keep it real, bro.
I didn't hear that part. I didn't hear that part.
We can meet behind the scenes. Fuck all the talking on the internet.
Yeah, because you know, nigga, you didn't want it. You didn't want it. You did not want it.
I want it now, nigga.
You didn't want it.
I want it now.
You didn't want it.
You wasn't bringing it, bitch.
You didn't. What you mean?
No,
I disrespected you 5-6 times, nigga.
Oh, you disrespect?
It's on the screen.
So nigga, you was
calling you weirdo. Nigga, asking you about a nigga fucking you in your ass. Telling you liked it.
You said it like that?
6ix9ine ain't doing shit,
like
nigga.
That? Nigga, them
telling you 6ix9ine. That's why you studying. Because blood, I seen it in your eyes. I seen a bitch in your eyes. I seen a bitch in your eyes, nigga. Your chest is so back to your spine.
You a dead man walking.
That's cool, nigga. I'm with that. I'm with that. Bring it.
You a dead man walking.
But why you crying about niggas coming to your house? Why you reporting about niggas coming to my house?
What?
You didn't
send them. Police, nigga, that bro. You? I know it didn't. Nigga, why you talking about it? We don't report that kind of shit.
Entertainer. I do what the fuck I want.
We do not report that kind of shit.
I'm a boss, nigga.
Why are you reporting that?
Old in the face ass, nigga.
You a dead man.
Old in the face ass, young ass.
I called you gay. I told you you got fucked in your ass. I told you like this shit. I told you 6ix9ine ain't giving you shit.
Face ass, nigga.
What happened? Why you didn't say nothing right then? Why you didn't say nothing right then, bro?
I do what the fuck I want to do, nigga.
Why you didn't say nothing right then?
Hold that L. Hold that L, nigga.
I ain't got no L.
Hold that L, nigga.
I ain't lose now.
Hold that L, nigga.
What I lose?
Hold that loose. Hold that L.
Oh, you proved this ain't nobody gonna get on
the phone
nigga no more. I didn't lose shit.
Mister, hold on.
I ain't lost nothing.
Mister, I extorted De La Hoya. I blackmailed De La Hoya.
I ain't lost nothing. Them pictures is up, nigga. I said it on my first podcast.
What you talking about? Nobody gonna trust me.
Hey, bro. I said it on my first podcast. I made 800. I said it. What do you mean? The pictures is up. The video ain't up.
You fell.
The video didn't go up.
You fell.
The video didn't go up.
Nigga, you fell.
The video didn't go up.
You fell.
But the pictures are up.
Wack. You consider that extortion, though.
Wack. Did I not? When you was in my office,
say it. Nipsey a rat,
yeah,
right?
I made 800 off them pictures. Did I not?
Nipsey a rat, right? Nipsey's a rat, right?
Academic, did I not?
I don't remember that.
Nipsey's a rat, right?
Yeah, hold on. But Wack.
Talk that shit, baby.
He's trying to call you an extortionist because of that. He's trying to say you're an extortion. You're extorting people.
That's not extorting. That's business. I didn't extort nobody.
Okay, explain because some people don't know.
Nipsey's a rat, right?
How's that extorting?
Nipsey's a rat, right?
Wait, hold on, Hassan. Hold on. Let me explain.
Nigga, you pussy. Nipsey's a rat, right?
We talking about you. You a rat.
Nipsey's a rat, right?
You a rat.
Nipsey's a rat, right?
You a rat.
Oh, you pussy.
You a rat.
Get out of here,
you a rat. He gonna run. Act. He gonna run. Act. And you on here, bro, on some punk shit, bro, because you know I was pressing the shit out of that nigga.
Wack.
I look at shit different. Every time that nigga said something remotely wrong, nigga, I was violating that.
No. You was correcting him, but here's the thing.
There ain't no correct. Hey, look, ain't no correcting, nigga. Let me tell you something, bro. When a nigga asks the 6ix9ine, yo, my man Ish need whoop the whoop, I said, hold on, nigga. That nigga from the other side, yeah. Fuck that. 6ix9ine ain't doing nothing. Wack called that shot. Did I not say that?
No, you said that.
Okay? When the nigga got to call the 6ix9ine the king, then I called him a fucking weird. You a fucking weirdo, bro. Fuck you mean he a king. You trying to stop me. You niggas stopped me 2-3 times when I really wanted to go in and you know it.
No, that's true. I give you that. Hold on.
So all that blood on Pyru, you been knowing me for a while, nigga.